If you're looking for atomic analog wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Atomic Analog Wall Clocks. Number 1, Most Popular, by Crosse Technology. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Crosse Technology. Number 3. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Crosse Technology. Find these atomic analog wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Marathon. Discover more atomic analog wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Crosse Technology.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.